Tornadoes are created when cold air from the north mixes with warm moist air from the south. This clash of air masses creates an intense low-pressure area in the atmosphere. This, in turn, causes air from the surrounding area to rush in to balance things out. This creates an extremely strong wind comprised of a rotating column of air. This is the beginning of a tornado, which can then form a visible funnel cloud. Different conditions in the atmosphere are required for a tornado to form. They need moist and warm air to form, as well as an unstable atmosphere. Thunderstorms that develop in a south to southeast winds are the conditions that set up a tornado. The most common conditions are found in the Great Plains, Midwestern, and Southern U.S. The second most common is in southeastern Canada and the Ohio Valley. As cold air moves from the Rocky Mountains, it forces warm, moist air up. This makes the air unstable and creates the right conditions for a tornado to form. An area of low pressure can be seen on weather reports and indicates where a tornado is likely to form. Jet streams and weather fronts can also help push cold air into warm, moist air. This can increase the chances of a tornado forming in the area. When the wind is strong enough, moisture in the air creates funnel clouds. If the wind is sustained and the rotation is strong enough, the funnel cloud can come down and make contact with the ground. This is when the tornado picks up debris and starts to move along the ground. Tornadoes can last anywhere from a few minutes to more than an hour. Tornadoes come in different shapes and sizes and can cause devastating damage. They can move slowly or move faster than 60 miles per hour. They can move straight or in a spinning motion, and they can change directions quickly. Conditions that cause tornadoes can occur anywhere across the world. They are most commonly found in the US and Canada, but have been known to form on other continents too. Europe, for example, experiences several dozen tornadoes each year.